Hello everyone, today we are making beef and udon stir fry. It's packed with tender beef, crisp vegetables, and chewy udon noodles, all coated in a rich and savory sauce. Every time I go to H Mart, I always stop at the food court for this dish. After making it at home a few times, it became one of my favorite noodle dishes. Let's start with the vegetables. Cut the cabbage into strips. Slice a piece of carrot, then cut it into thin strips. For the onion, slice half an onion and separate the layers. We'll also need 2 shiitake mushrooms for extra flavor. I'm using dried shiitake mushrooms today, but fresh ones work just as well. Slice them into strips. Then chop some green onion tops for garnish. And finely mince 3 cloves of garlic. Now let's move on to the beef. I'm using beef flank today, but you can use any cut of beef you like. Slice it thinly at an angle, cutting against the grain. Then prepare the marinade. Combine soy sauce, dark soy sauce, a little bit of sugar, a pinch of black pepper, a little bit baking soda, cornstarch, and water. Give everything a good mix. Add the beef and toss to coat. Massage gently till the beef fully absorbs the marinade. Finish with a little oil and mix well. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. While the beef is marinating, let's make the sauce before cooking. Combine 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of vegan oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of mirin, half tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of rice vinegar, and a pinch of black pepper. Mix well till everything is combined. Now it's time to cook the beef. Add some oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, add the beef. Spread it out quickly and separate the slices if needed. Let it sear for a few seconds, then stir fry briefly. Add the garlic and cook till fragrant. Remove from the pan. Next, let's cook the onion. Heat some oil in the pan. Add the onion and stir fry for about 20 seconds. In the same pan, add a little bit oil, then add the cabbage and carrot. Season with a pinch of salt and sugar and stir fry for about 30 seconds. If you prefer, you can cook the onion together with the carrot and the cabbage. Now let's prepare the noodles. I'm using frozen Japanese-style udon noodles today. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Then add the noodles. Don't overcook them. As soon as they loosen up and separate, drain them, rinse them under cold water and drain well. Then heat more oil in the pan. Once it's hot, add the shiitake mushrooms and stir fry till fragrant. Add the udon noodles and pan fry them for about 1 or 2 minutes. This gives the noodles a better texture and extra flavor. Pour in half the sauce and toss to coat the noodles. Return the beef and vegetables to the pan, then add the remaining sauce. Toss everything together till well combined. Finish with the green onions and a drizzle of sesame oil. Give everything one final toss, and we're done. Look at this beef and udon stir fry. It looks amazing and smells so good. We can't wait to enjoy it. If you love noodles, this recipe is definitely a must try. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.